soon to be luggage rack. Put some turn signals on. We need to get rid of this velocity stack so the engine doesn't get all sandblasted. Work on the seat. Going to get rid of some of this stuff, make it more low profile. Change out the tire, skinnier tire, an actual motorcycle tire instead of a car tire. Alright, so my front turn signals, I got green, blue, just like in the back, but also got blue with a white line. I'm going to assume that the blue with the white line is going to be the running light wire. We're going to find that out in a second. Alright, just like the back, I'm going to assume that the solid orange is going to be the blinker, green is the ground, and this is going to be the running light, the green with the white stripe on it. Alright, let's see if this works. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so I got the front fixed. Alright, yes, left. But the problem is, now I got four-way flash in the back, haven't been fixed yet. So we're gonna figure that out. So I guess it's gonna take 3 attempts. Alright, so I found out the problem is, because this is a incandescent bulb for the turn signal, and that LED is just throwing it off. So I can either, I found this by looking online, so I either changing that bulb right up there to LED or just getting rid of it. Should fix the problem. We're going to try that. Yep, that's all it was.